Ni arutwo a University ya Daystar guku Nairobi na Athi River o mundu agetha njira ya kwao thutha wa urugamiriri wa thukuru ucio kuhinga university yo kwa ihinda ritoikaine kurumirira ngucanio iria ikoretwo kuo gatagati ka arutwo na atongoria wa thukuru iyo iguru ria riboti igii uria kigina gikoretwo gikihuthirwo. Niguo itua ria kuhinga university no rikinyanirio kuraire ngucanio gatagati ka arutwo na maabitha a borithi thutha wa maabitha acio kuithukira arugamiriri a arutwo makibanga uria mekwaririria riboti iyo no urugamiriri wa thukuru ucio na maramaruturura makihuthira riera ria kuruta maithori undu uria ucungiriirie o kugomera irathi umuthi.
Students are just, we were having a meeting, people are eating, people are in bed. I don't think the university administration has the moral authority to even tell us at this point what we should do or not do.
Kurerikana na munini wa Vice Chancellor wa ihinda James Kombo, riboti iyo ni arekereirio kuri anyitite miothe thiini wa university no makihuthira uteithio wa arimu a thukuru ucio undu uria wa moire makiria wa mathaa 10 gutariria riboti iyo na kwoguo matire no menyo wa kiria kingi arutwo acio marenda.
We believed that by taking the students and the staff representatives through that, we were giving them the report they asked for. But as you are aware, because of the protracted nature of this situation, it came a time when the students then started to say that without the report, we don't have classes.
Kuhingwo kwa university yo ni itua rikinyanirio ni senate ya thukuru ucio thutha wa gukurana kuri na thina munene hari uria mihango ya thukuru ucio iratabanio.
And that is at the Senate yesterday, after the meeting, at the meeting of Senate yesterday, it was very clear to the Senate that under the circumstances that the university was operating in, that a drastic action be taken. The drastic action that needed to be taken at that time wasn't going to be anything else except the closure of the university.
Mwena wa Athi River maundu mekuhanaga oro uguo o mundu na murigo wake arutwo makienda kuneo riboti iyo mamihitukire o ene amu hari maundu maingi marahithwo thiini wa riboti iyo.
Our stand remains that the university must practice transparency and accountability. We are still asking for the audit report to be shared, but now that we realize how deep the rot goes, we are asking that even those we didn't know were part of the rot initially, they must also just leave.
Mwaka muhituku arutwo a university no magomeirie irathi makimenereria atongoria wa thukuru ino undu uria wacungiriirie kurugamio wira kwa Timothy wa Shira. Undu uria wacungiriirie kurugamio wira kwa Timothy wa Shira arita Vice Chancellor wa university yo ni atongoria moru.
What they want to do in terms of closing the university, calling GSU on us, tainting our names wherever they are going, those are diversionary tactics and we don't even want to respond to that.
Githagathago giki kiaya gukorwo giakiriirio ni kwagagio kwa atongoria arutwo a university yo iguru ria riboti iyo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.